Use an oil wrench to remove the oil filter. You should move the oil drain pan right under the oil filter. Oil may drip from the oil filter when you remove the oil filter. It is recommended to pre-oil your new filter to avoid the engine running dry at startup. Place a little bit of oil in the gasket. This will make it easy for you to remove the oil filter at your next oil change and avoid oil leaks. Thread the new oil filter. The new oil filter should go in very easily. Don't force the filter. Tighten the oil filter by hand.